Hey, what's Gucci, everybody? Your boy Sneak back all up in this thing, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm gonna be making some aloe vera dreadlock twisting gel. So one I'm making pretty much only has two ingredients right here: fresh aloe vera and coconut oil. Got some 100% pure refined coconut oil, and that's pretty much the only two ingredients I'm gonna use for this. And that's my glass jar that I'm gonna use to store it over there. And as you can see, I got my blender right here. That's just gonna be to chop up this aloe vera really fine. You don't necessarily need it, but I would recommend it. Make things a lot easier and a lot quicker. So let's get straight into this thing. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is cut up this aloe vera, and I'm going to do it in sections probably to make it easy. And make sure you clean this first before you get to chopping it up to use it for anything. That's about 3 seconds. Alright, look at that. Alright, so the way that I like to do it is, like I said, you cut it in some manageable sections, and then you see, you know, you got spikes. These spikes along the on both sides of your leaf. I like to come and just take that whole thing off, both sides. I'm gonna just show y'all this for this section of the leaf, and pretty much just do the same thing for the other sections. So a couple of different ways you can do it. What I find the easiest is to just chop this long ways into, you know, 2 or 3 more sections. And be careful when you're doing this. This gel gets on the outside of the leaf, you know, it can get kind of slippery in your hands. But so then I just come in and literally just skim this entire outer part of the leaf off of both sides. So you get that jelly. That's what we're looking for right there. So drop that in the blender, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these. I'm probably gonna skip through it because y'all don't need to see all that, but alright, so y'all can see that was my light work right there, you know what I'm saying? And right here got a good amount of jelly up in there, so go ahead and blend this up. Alright, so I got my coconut oil right here melted. You want to use about 1/3 to 1/4 of coconut oil, and then the rest aloe vera. So for mine, I got about somewhere between 1/4 and 1/3 coconut oil, and this, you know, you just scoop it in whatever container you're using, especially if you're using glass, if you're using plastic, depending on, you know, how well it'll do in the microwave. But this only needs to be in the microwave for 10 seconds. I would say do it hit it 5 or 10 seconds at a time and swirl it around, you know what I mean? But 10 seconds and, you know what I mean, it should be melted. But so there you go. I'll just pour in the rest, finish it off, and then you know, whisk it up, mix it up real good. And all right, there you go. So and that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure you scroll down, hit the thumbs up button. Got any questions, go ahead, leave it in the comment box, and go ahead, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out. Squad.